Hi, I'm Beth Tellman. I'm the Chief Science Officer and co-founder of FloodBase, and I'm excited to present our solution, FloodView, enabling instant payouts to accelerate disaster recovery. FloodBase maps floods in near real time using AI, satellite data, and ground stations. You can visualize historic flood events every hour for the past 40 years. This tech enables a new category of flood insurance that pays policyholders when floods exceed a certain size, and our tech is trusted by NASA and FEMA, as well as leading global insurers. We're really focused on the cost of slow disaster response, and we saw it in places like the southeastern US during Hurricane Helene. NGOs are first responders, but they rely on charitable donations, which are insufficient and unpredictable. Insurance plays a critical role in community recovery, but traditional options are too slow, and they don't cover disaster response costs. And it's devastating to low income communities to not have this coverage. Our solution, FloodView, pairs parametric flood insurance with real time flood monitoring for both governments and NGOs. It enables a rapid insurance payout, which ensures communities can recover, and real time monitoring, which helps organizations triage their disaster response efforts. I'll show you an example in North Carolina, where we were supporting FEMA in disaster response. The dashboard allows users to view policies and boundaries across the state and issues alerts when a flood gets large enough to trigger an insurance payout. And you can even zoom in on critical facilities to triage response. If you click on a municipality, you'll see real time flood monitoring and the most recent flood, as well as its flood history. When flooding gets large enough to trigger a policy, you can see the payout status in the dashboard, which enables coordinated recovery efforts with local administrators. With Verizon's 5G infrastructure, like satellite enabled tablets, even in blackout zones, there can be uninterrupted coordination and response. That's FloodView. Thank you.